Hello, we're the Doan Law Firm, your virtual bankruptcy attorneys. We're only virtual because we don't officially represent you, nor are we giving you legal advice, just some really good information that you need to know about considering bankruptcy. As a truly virtuous firm based on strong Christian values with 200 years of experience, we know bankruptcy, and a well-informed client is a happy client. Through this constantly updated video blog, we provide virtually all you need to know to make a good decision on whether or not bankruptcy is right for you.
In our last video, entitled The Wonders of Number 7 Part 1, we looked at the bankruptcy process. And now we're going to continue where we left off at the stay-o-matic, properly called the automatic stay at smart dinner parties. Once you've filed your petition with the Bankruptcy Court and the automatic stay is in place, you get ready for the 341A meeting of the creditors held about a month later. Once again, we would advocate a much more creative and inspiring name for the meeting of the creditors, but nobody asked us. Can't you just imagine a meeting of the creditors? Angry men in bad suits with sweaty foreheads, yelling like they're on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, stinking up the place. Luckily for all of us, it's not like that. It really more resembles the Department of Motor Vehicles, where a dozen people are all scheduled for the same appointment time, sitting in uncomfortable plastic chairs complaining about the weather, while overworked bureaucrats process and stamp enough paperwork to plant a forest in Death Valley. The 341A meeting is held in front of a trustee, not a judge, and the trustee's primary interest is verifying that the petition is true and looking for assets to sell to satisfy creditors. As a practical matter, you can keep most of your assets in bankruptcy. Those assets are called exempt. We talk about that more in our video blog entitled Mine, Mine, Mine. The 341A meeting takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and creditors are permitted to appear, but usually none do. The one I see most often is Sears, and it seems like they camp out on the courthouse steps with their free sleeping bags and Coleman lanterns. After the 341A meeting, it's all over but the shouting. You have another online course to take, this one on financial management, at midnight, in your bathrobe, with milk and cookies. In most cases, in 90 to 120 days, you receive your final discharge. We'd advocate for a more creative name, but that's just us. The final discharge is your fresh start. This is the place from which you can rebuild. But be careful, because with a Chapter 7, you can't file another Chapter 7 again for 8 years. And you'll find credit card offers from the same credit card you just discharged in bankruptcy spilling out of the front of your mailbox.
There you have it, all you need to know. The virtual meets reality at Doan Law Firm. To speak with one of our real representatives, don't hesitate to contact us at 888-DOAN-LAW or at the web, www.doanlawfirm.com. Don't wait for tomorrow. As they say, tomorrow never comes. Let Doan Law Firm help you today.